Now, I would like to call upon my parents for a vote of thanks.
Okay, Sangeeta has given me permission to say a few words. So, I should come closer? Okay, they want you in front. Beauty and the Beast, so that's good. Uh, Hello, friends, family, well wishers, and everyone here, physically and virtually. So, thank you for staying with us. And like last time, I'm not reading out of paper or making up words. And Sangeeta forced me to get my speech ready before we got on stage. So, we would like to start with thanking the Lord Almighty, and without whom this would not have been possible. And something that we would really like to highlight is that we have had audience from all over. We have gone from a packed house to the magical number of 30 people only in this hall. But all that has been transferred to folks who are able to now watch from India and things like that. So that is a big change we have had. We'd like to congratulate, I shouldn't say congratulate, I have to make sure Sanjay has more video games and more stuff to do at home. So, it's formal words, and he was like, how long can you continue your speech without saying thank you? I mean, it's very hard. I mentioned this last year for my daughter, but just a couple of words does not really express our deep sense of gratitude, because for one, I can go home and sleep in peace today, right? 3 people in the house singing, it's been a lot of effort for him, right? So, I think I mentioned this last year, and it's a deep sense of, the French call it déjà vu, right? I mean, you keep doing this again and again and again. And like last year, it was completely different, because Shraddha is a completely different person, Sanjay is a different person, and he knew it was coming, but he would essentially try to put it off as much as he can. But then also realizing he's a perfectionist, he cries nonstop. And that's especially when he realizes that he is not as good as he wants to be. So today morning I had to bring him by car so that make sure that you don't have any more feedback, you're not confused anymore, you're not worried about feedback, comments and stuff. But he has spent the last 1 year really trying to figure out how to make this work. And thank you for Sanjay sticking with us, sticking through all the practice sessions, all the fun stuff, and you have your due coming. Next, we'd like to thank the gurus, right? And I feel like I keep repeating my words from last year, but it is true, right? All parents have dreams about what the children can do, what we would like. And Shraddha asked me this last week, why are you trying to live your dreams through us? I'm like, where else, right? Nobody else to ask. And we can, as long as you're at home, we can force you to do what we want, right? So, it is a huge difference. And thankfully they have taught me to appreciate the fine points of the art, right? Some appreciation. The teachers, Chitra is like, probably I should be teaching you next, right? You're the only person left here. Different styles, different approaches. Like I said, Chitra has gone to the stage where on Zoom call, she basically mutes Sanjay if he starts crying, right? You're like, what did I do to you? What did I say, right? But she's taught him everything or most of what he knows. And he still prefers going back to Chitra's classes once in a while. He's like, I want the structure, right? So he wants that structure, he wants that constant feedback, he wants to know how to do it right. Of course, he enjoys Ravi's classes a lot more, sporadic as they are, but he enjoys Ravi's classes in a completely different sense. He has a deeper understanding. It's now gone to a stage where Sangeeta stops correcting him. She's like, I can't correct you because, you and your guru sort it out. We don't know what's going on. So beyond the point, it's always been Chitra leading the way. She has that structure, and that you can see when Sanjay comes back from class. Chitra auntie gave me this. So much of feedback, so much of notes, and I'm done. He knows exactly what is expected. With Ravi is expecting him to learn a lot more on his own also. So he's just basically letting him fly. I'm like, my teachers told me in life that you can do what you want, right? Explore it. We probably would not have been here. But that is a big difference. And Ravi specifically, Sanjay is trying to emulate you all the time. So that he has, that's something that I would assume is the good thing to have, but it is a big burden at times. So thank you, teachers. Malvi, look, let's not go there, right? The first thing that Sanjay wanted was the stage, right? He wanted we were like, can we have it in a basement, right? He's like, no, I want the stage, I want the presence, I want the feel, and I want Malvi to come and, so he feels, and I think it rubs off. Your enthusiasm, your positive attitude rubs off on Sanjay, and his performance, there's a certain degree of casualness between you and your parents, right? So you are in the middle. So he's like, I'm okay. I mean, Malavika is coming. I'm happy. He confirmed it a couple of times also that yes, she will be there. So thank you very much. All this was supposed to be what Sangeeta was supposed to be saying yesterday. Okay, that's why I'm making those words up also. Looking out at people in the hall, all 25 plus and the remaining here, we have a lot to thank you for. For one, and I work for the health department, so I realize the risk and the downside of this. So thank you very much for coming and staying with us. It means a lot. Like Ravi rightly pointed out, the performance is not really there. I mean, of course, thankfully it didn't happen for Shraddha because she feeds off the audience. Sanjay is a little more composed. He's looking only at Chitra. He's not looking at anybody else. So, but the performance is better. It's always the feedback from the audience is important. And it gives us also a lot of pride that, it's going really well. I forgot. The remaining words, like I said, Shraddha has graced the stage. We are thankful this has happened. And unique circumstances. We were talking about this a couple of days back also. Everything that, I'm a data person, so I understand numbers and patterns. And I would have loved to say that 2020, normally referred to only as, or the first thing that comes to your mind typically is only hindsight. But here there is no hindsight. There is no end in play yet. And interestingly, I think probably a month ago, we were here in the same place for a friend's daughter's Arangetram, and she had a moving conversation with me about why me, right? I mean, why does anybody have to go through this particular situation? This is completely unique. You cannot pretend like it's not happening. You cannot pretend like it's not happening to you. Everybody here is impacted in some way or shape or form by COVID. So it is very unique. And when we started this, it was very, very hard for us to. How long can you keep postponing stuff? How long can you pretend? You cannot hide in your house. I mean, we are trying it, but it's hard, right? There's only so much you can go without doing regular stuff. And we decided, thank you again, Madhurya, Chitra, Ravi, for saying that, okay, fine, let's start this. I mean, let's start the end. We have to get to the performance at some point of time. If you guys are okay with virtual, let's go ahead and do it. Thankfully, this is virtual plus in person. And we were able to, this is going to be the new normal, right? I mean, we see a lot more interest. We have friends and family who have helped us set this up. So it is going to be the new normal, but 2020, maybe next year, if it dies down a bit, we won't remember it anymore for hindsight, but COVID-19 is here to stay for some time. Getting to the actual thank you parts, right? Lots of people who make this happen. Hindu Center, 10 plus years we have been here. this platform, this stage, for all our cribs above the stage, we still prefer it here. It gives you a good stage as such. The kids are familiar, everybody is familiar, we know the logistics, all that works really well for us. And from a community perspective, the Hindu Center has been very, very gracious and accommodating. I would like to thank Kedar, Girish, and Padma. I mean, they were very accommodative about this. We have changed the dates every couple of days. I mean, we just had to do it. We were not sure. They probably would have said, you guys should know better than us as to what the social distancing guidelines would be. But they're very thankful about this, that they were able to help us out. Okay, audio support, we will get to that last. Before he cuts my mic off, I want to thank everybody else. He can just be mute, right? Don't give Sangeeta ideas, please. Live streaming, photo and video, right? He's taking good photos of me, right? So that's nice. I'll be pretty straightforward. I'm a low risk person. Again, I said, remember the numbers conversation, and I'm a low risk person. I do not debate stuff that I'm not sure of, right? I know who can do it. And Sangeeta mentioned this last time also, make sure that you are not the one handling the camera this time. Sit back, relax, enjoy, Shraddha somewhere, right? So the idea is, I play it safe. I go back to Hari and said, Hari, a very short timeline actually, because he was like, are you guys really sure of the data or not yet? Right? Think about it. So I told him, this is when I need it, this is what I need. And we said, okay, we already have a sample from last year. Can we have an encore? Again, in these uncertain times, making sure that eliminate all variables, keep everything as much constant as possible, right? So, Hari, and we have the new generation here, Vignesh specifically. He's the one manning the big camera, right? So, thank you very much. Something I'd like to point out again is, this time around we took the risk ourselves and said, okay, fine, let the kids do it. They're not kids anymore, all high schoolers. But we said, let the kids handle this. So starting with, and they understand the virtual presence better than we do, right? So how do you want a website? And then we have Sid Kumar here. He's hiding behind a lap to test up, but as such, he's the one who was start to finish. Right? We just said we want this to happen, and we want it virtual. We have somebody who can sing, but you need to make sure that audience is available, right? So I don't know what he has done, but he's the one handling it completely there. Shraddha, in fact, we got Sanjay also to do work for us and said, you handle your online presence. You have to be able, the outreach is yours. We can only give you the platform. So they handle the website, designs, brochure, Sangeeta, of course, that is her domain. So all that was done. That is completely handled. The next generation knows how to handle this better than we do, right? And they have done a fantastic job. All the streaming that we have, everything that's being done with minimal intervention from parents. And I should thank Sid's father, Sendil, for that. Because again, what we share is a common understanding or limited understanding of music, but beyond that, he's way out of the league in terms of how do you actually make this work. A great project manager at this and said, okay, fine, let the kids do this. Periodic check-ins, troubleshooting, it's this time around, I mean, believe me, more than Sanjay singing on stage, right? Because our major discussion was who not to invite. I mean, not as in not don't come, but we have a limitation in number of people. And we would love to be able to, Sangeeta knows most of Richmond, so it's hard. How do you not invite somebody and make all this work? And she has a checkbox of, I want this to happen, this to happen, this to happen. So the technical side of it, thank you very much, Sid, Sendil, making that happen. And our friends in the community, Manaswini, Bhuvana, Prem, Sarunan, Anu and Murli Chemrapati, Kalechi friends. We have a group of friends. Again, going back to constants, we have kept our circle safe that way. There's a lot of people doing this. And again, your direct, indirect support, presence, is very, very important to, those are memories you create and what people give you. I mean, not everybody could be here, and that's just reality, right? But virtual presence itself is a big bonus to have. And, yeah, sound engineer. Sound engineer is expert. He can mute me at any time. Again, going back to constants, and the one thing that initially puzzled us was what is going to be different, right? You have the singer, you have the audience, I mean, semi-audience, you have everything here. We have the sound here. Again, Sanjay's making sure. Sanjay is way more smarter than I am. So he's like, I need the stage, I need Malavika accompanying, and sound. We're still getting Uncle Sound, right? I'm like, Gautam is done. Gautam is like, he brought out his toys, brand new toys, and we're like, we'll test this, we'll test that. I'm like, as long as my son sounds great, we are happy. They have shown, between husband and wife, Gautam and Manaswini, they have, they have opened the doors to their basement and said, okay, boss, we know what to do, right? And the plus and the minus, so we're like, fully entrusted them with the audio part of it. Gautam's not fully well now, but so that way Manaswini pitched in and said, we'll take care of it, make it work. So thank you very much. Finally, before that, I said, last time we had elders here from our family side. This time nobody could come, but thankfully, Sangeeta's parents were able to watch. A lot of my family back home were able to watch. They operate WhatsApp better than I do, but they're like, send us the link, we'll watch. Because again, many of the songs that we have are Sangeeta's family's special songs, right? They associate well. I mean, they appreciate the music much better, and we are happy that they were able to watch along with us in real time, not just a recording. You want to say something? No. Okay. That is there, and my family, I've heard some comments, so that's been a big boost for us. And finally, audience, everybody watching, thank you very much. Like I said earlier, it means a lot to us. We cannot replicate physical presence, but at least thank you very much for watching along with us.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Special thanks goes to Chitra and Ravi. Really, I'm looking forward to many more years of Sanjay learning and, getting a deeper appreciation of this divine art. Thank you so much. And thanks to audience who are here and virtually to all our family and friends who are watching. Your blessings and your comments that's coming in the past couple of days has been a big, so a show of support for us. So thank you so much. Appreciate everybody coming here. Thank you.